In this tutorial, we will cover the concept of cut and paste in normal mode. Command will be similar what we have already seen for delete. This means whatever command we were using for delete, same command will be applicable equally for cut also. This means for single line we need to press DD, and for multiple line cut we need to press number of line and then DD. Once cut is performed, we need to do paste, and that we already know. Using P key press we can do it. One more thing here, like we have already covered that concept of clipboard, that is equally applicable in this also. Now I will open VIM editor and show you this concept one by one practically. Already one file is open in VIM editor. First I will show you single line cut and paste, and then I will show you multiple line cut and paste. If you are able to see my current screen, one line already blinking with the cursor. What I will do, I will cut this line and paste into the last. For that I will go to the start of the section. I will press DD. See, this is cut properly. Now I need to go to end of this file and press it P. See, it worked perfectly fine. Single line cut and paste work perfectly fine. Now what I will do, I will cut remaining portion of this function and paste it here, so that this file will be same for compilation. Now what I will do, I will count the number of line we actually need to cut it for this function. So it is 1, 2 and 3. This means we need to cut 3 lines from the start of curly braces and paste it in the down. For that I will go to start of this function. I will press 3 and then I will press DD. See, it cut properly. Now I need to go to end of this file where already this has been pasted. I will press P. See, it worked perfectly fine. This is the concept how cut and paste work. Same thing if I want to do for clipboard, that is global clipboard, I need to set the parameter, that is set clipboard equal to unnamed plus. Now I will set it. Now whatever I will do cut will be equally applicable for VIM and for other editor also. This means whatever cut action will be performed here, either I can paste into VIM editor or I can paste into any other editor. What I will do, I will cut any other function, like this one I want to do it. What I will do, I will cut the whole function. For that I will count the number of lines, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This means I need to cut 4 number of lines. I will press 4 and then I will press DD. See, it cut properly. I will go to GUI editor and paste it using normal paste command, that is Ctrl V. See, it worked perfectly fine. So that's all in this lecture. You need to practice it, then only you will be comfortable in running this command.